This is my phone repair shop, which I have been working on it for more than a year, and I have it on my home. I repair phones, whether this is screen or replacing anything related to the motherboard. So this has been a step forward to a new skill. So I'm just short, and there's another different foodie that's working with me. What's your name? What's your name?
Sabri.
Your name is Shabli.
Yeah.
So what do you do?
This.
You do phone repair.
Yeah.
Okay. So I do use this machine. Which is blowing air into any device that I want to remove any part from it. Especially this is the motherboard. We have many of them right there underneath. We have this beast, this solar gun. What else? We have cutter, we have screws, different kind of cables that we can jack into any device to test. And we have external battery, which we can test with any device. We have multimeter. What else? We have these magnets, which holds mostly any screws that are loose or any tool that we need to snap there. And we have home dry, which is alcohol for cleaning. What else? And we have a temperature tester to find out if the device is dangerous to touch before even operating it. What else? Yes, that's it. And we have some parts down there. We have tools. What else? I have phones, tablets, and laptops. So I'm trying to grow my business. I can only grow if you guys give me support and, at least even if I don't get anything from you guys, just to give me a thumb up and likes and subscribe the channel. And this is my other tools. This was my auto part tools, which I sometimes end up using the lighter, and what else? What are you snapping in there? Stop it. And we have hammer, nails in case woodwork is needed. And we have a camera holder. Mostly I don't have a good camera for this job, but I do have my own phones, which I can stick into that, and then I can record anything that I intend doing it. I also have tape measurements. What else? Hey. Anyway, this shop is known as Phone Repair Shop.